650 horsepower, a supercharged V8 monster, carbon fiber aggression. This $95,000 Corvette Z06 is America's street-legal supercar killer. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at a machine that proves American performance can stand beside the world's greatest supercars. This is the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ07, a precision-built performance icon that combines brutal horsepower, advanced racing technology, and stunning design into one unforgettable package. Finished in a breathtaking Sebring Orange paint, this Corvette Z06 instantly demands attention. It does not try to hide its purpose. Every curve, every air intake, and every aerodynamic element tells you this car was created for speed. This is not just a Corvette with a powerful engine. This is a track-inspired machine engineered to deliver a supercar experience while keeping the legendary Corvette identity alive. Under the hood sits the heart of this beast, the legendary LT4 2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an incredible 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This power plant delivers explosive acceleration and a level of performance that places the Z06 among the elite sports cars of its generation. The moment the supercharger begins building boost, the Corvette transforms from a comfortable cruiser into a monster built for the open road. The LT4 engine is paired with advanced performance technology, including a dry sump oil system designed to maintain proper lubrication during aggressive driving, whether attacking corners on a track or accelerating through open highways. This system helps the Z06 maintain confidence under extreme conditions. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, giving drivers the ability to enjoy smooth everyday performance while still having complete control when the road becomes exciting. Combined with an electronic limited slip differential and active traction control, this Corvette delivers the perfect balance between raw power and intelligent engineering. But the Z06 is more than just horsepower. The Z07 Package transforms this Corvette into an even more capable performance machine. Equipped with carbon ceramic brakes, Z07 suspension tuning, and aggressive aerodynamic upgrades, this car is designed for drivers who demand precision. The braking power is incredible, allowing the Z06 to slow down with confidence after reaching extreme speeds. The exterior design is where this Corvette truly separates itself from ordinary sports cars. The Sebring Orange paint highlights every aggressive line, while the carbon flash badge package adds a darker, more performance-focused appearance. The wide stance is enhanced by 19-inch front and 20-inch rear Z06 aluminum wheels, creating a perfect combination of style and function. Behind those wheels sit dark gray brake calipers, showcasing the performance hardware hidden underneath. The removable roof panel adds another level of excitement, allowing drivers to experience the sound of the supercharged V8 without barriers between the driver and the machine. Look closer, and the details become even more impressive. The visible carbon fiber ground effects provide both style and aerodynamic purpose, giving the Z06 a race-inspired appearance from every angle. The aggressive front design improves airflow, while the rear styling emphasizes the Corvette's performance character. Underneath the vehicle, the engineering continues. The rear-mounted transmission layout helps create excellent weight balance, improving handling and driver confidence. The detailed underside reveals the attention Chevrolet gave to creating a serious performance platform. Stainless steel exhaust tips complete the aggressive personality, producing a powerful exhaust note that reminds everyone this Corvette is something special. Open the door, and the Z06 reveals a driver-focused luxury interior. The jet black leather cabin combines comfort with performance. Premium materials surround the driver, while power seats with memory functions provide personalized comfort for every journey. The heated and ventilated seats make this Corvette enjoyable in different conditions, proving that high performance does not mean sacrificing luxury. Paddle shifters sit within easy reach, connecting the driver directly to the transmission and creating a more engaging experience behind the wheel. A rear-view camera adds modern convenience, making this machine easier to enjoy every day. The 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ07 represents one of the most exciting chapters in Corvette history. It delivers the power of a supercharged V8, the technology of a track machine, and the style of an exotic performance car. With 650 horsepower, carbon fiber details, advanced suspension, massive brakes, and a stunning Sebring Orange finish, this Corvette was built for enthusiasts who want more than transportation. At a featured price of $95,000, this Z06 represents an incredible combination of performance, technology, and collectability. It is a car that can dominate the track, turn heads at a car show, and deliver an unforgettable driving experience every time the engine starts. The Corvette Z06 has always represented the idea that American engineering can challenge the world's best. This 29th model continues that legacy with a perfect blend of power, precision, and passion. This is not just a Corvette, this is a supercharged statement. This is the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ07.